Hey guys, Diana here, founder and creator of strategicfinances.net, helping women entrepreneurs create more cash flow and implement better financial strategies. So, in this video, I want to talk about less than ideal cash flow decisions. And so, this is going to be a sweet and short video. Now, if you're not investing, you're already behind. Okay. I did a video the other day, right? And actually, I'm wearing the same thing I did in that video. It's because I like to be, I'm a busy mom and I have a newborn. And so I need to be very efficient with my time, right? So, anyhow, investing. Okay. You need to be investing. And the main reason is because that is one solution, right? To outpace what? I talked about it in my last video. Inflation. Okay, if you want to outpace inflation, you've got to invest. It's the only way. You've got to invest because your money, okay, can make more money faster than your labor ever could, okay? And if you're working two jobs and you're still struggling financially or you're still not reaching the goals that you have, right? It's because you need to invest. Okay? You need to invest. You're going to work yourself to death. You can't work. I mean, what are you going to work 24 hours? You know it doesn't work. I've been there. I've worked two jobs, two full-time jobs. I've been there and it just doesn't. I was like looking for a way to get ahead financially, and I was always wondering, like, what do these people do who seem to be well off financially? I'm like, what are they doing, right? Okay, they're investing. Okay? They are investing. Wealthy people invest because they understand financial principles, okay? And like I said, I'm going to say this and I'm going to wrap this video up just so you can just think about this and just meditate on this, okay? Your money, okay, when it comes to investing, what investing is your money making more money. So your money can make more money faster than your labor ever could. Even if you work 24 hours in a day, you're still not going to be able to get ahead financially. And it's not just that. You're going to destroy your health, okay? Not only are you not going to get ahead financially, but you're going to destroy your health. You're going to destroy your relationships. So you might as well learn how to invest. How to invest? There's several ways to invest. Obviously, you want to have a invest for retirement, because there's going to come a day where you're not going to be able to work anymore, or you're not going to want to work anymore, right? So you can invest that way into long term, into a retirement account. You can also invest into like stocks and whatnot. And now, Bitcoin, right? You can invest in different things, right? Different asset classes. You can invest in real estate. You can start your own business. That's a way to invest. And a lot of you who are watching this video right now already have a side business. So you are investing, and that is awesome. But you definitely want to have your money working for you. That's like the best way to keep up with inflation, okay? Is to have your money working. So think about that, okay? And so I will dive deep into investing in other videos, break it down so you can understand it more. As I learn, I'll share the information with you on how to invest. And so definitely just subscribe to this video if you want to see those videos. If you're interested in learning how to invest in real estate and Bitcoin and different stocks, invest for retirement, definitely just subscribe to this channel. And then also I would encourage you to look in the link in the description below and click the link that says free 8-step game plan to increase your cash flow in 2021. Give you a plan, right? A plan on how to increase your cash flow in 2021 and beyond. And thank you so much for watching this video. Again, subscribe, click that link below, get free access to that game plan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.